if you want to use a memory card or micro SD card on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or 7 FE, then in this case what you need to do is you need to use a memory card reader. Unfortunately, it is not possible to insert the micro SD card into the SIM tray. It's just simply not possible. So we have to use some sort of memory card reader. Now, in my case, my memory card reader is quite huge. There are smaller ones that allow you to just insert the micro SD card, and this is the idea behind it. You just insert the micro SD card into the memory card reader, and then with the USB-C cable you connect it to your phone. So more or less it looks like this. There we go. And after that you have your storage from the memory card. So of course it is a little bit inconvenient to use, mostly due to the size and the fact that you have to have it connected to the phone, but this is the only way to use a micro SD card. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.